Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set the time in your Volvo XC90. Start by accessing your vehicle's Census infotainment system. You'll find the settings icon on the main display, usually represented by a gear symbol. It's important to perform this adjustment while your vehicle is safely parked and stationary. This ensures you can focus entirely on the screen without distractions, making the process smooth and secure. Once inside the main settings menu, look for and select the System option. This will lead you to various vehicle configurations. From there, you'll easily spot and choose date and time. On this screen, you'll see the current time and date displayed, which you are about to adjust. This step brings you closer to customizing your vehicle's clock. Now, to change the time, simply tap on the displayed time itself. You'll then see options to adjust the hours and minutes using intuitive plus and minus buttons. Take your time to set it precisely. Additionally, you can choose your preferred time format, whether you like the 12-hour or 24-hour display. This allows for full personalization of your vehicle's clock. After making your adjustments, ensure you confirm them by pressing the OK or Set button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Your Volvo XC90 Census system will then automatically save the new time settings. Take a moment to verify that the updated time is correctly displayed on your main screen. You have successfully set the time in your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.